I guess I am live now. I will just quickly check. So this is 2023 and same old me. But I wanted to structure some of the topics which I can definitely contribute to the learnings of the beginners about machine learning and basic stuffs. Uh, I don't intend to go in the deeper ideas, but in general, it's for my improvement. So I guess the videos will be quite raw, and I will put effort on the video streaming stuff and all, but maybe the videos are not that structured. So I will see what will be the traffic and everything. I will just check on that, and after some days observing all the stats, I will further decide if I want to work on more improvement or mm, want to go to the content making route. But I don't know actually currently. So this is very raw stuff. I cannot see myself in live. Uh, what's happening? Videos. I have to see, right? So this is 6 months ago, my last live. Okay, what about now? I don't know. If I end the live, then it comes to feed, I guess. I guess that's the issue. I don't remember actually. I have to check it. Your videos alive. Uh, yeah, so this is live and I can fully check it out. Okay. No, it's not made for kids. Save. Okay. Okay, so this is live. Get shareable links. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay, I'm ensured the live is going well. Fun stuff. So, what I'm going to do is I will be joining Kaggle again after almost 1.5 years of inactivity. I don't know, I remember the password or not. Yeah, I remember. Actually, my computer remembers, not me. Okay. Now what's the intention today? I have a complete network and the data set is also complete, but I want to give it more a sophisticated version than a notebook one. And also I want to focus on differential privacy, implementing differential privacy in a conventional machine learning model. This is a pretty new genre that is currently researchers are exploring it, and I am exploring it in the healthcare genre. And this is a part of my thesis as well. So I don't know what will be the results, and I'm actually not that much positive because the differential privacy experience personally has not been that good for me. And for this, if you say the total MAE, I have the files. These are pretty good results actually. I have beaten the benchmark score very, very groundbreakingly, and I'm very proud of it. So now the next challenge. So I will use this notebook for template, but what I will do, I will totally try to make the system as a whole, and I have PyCharm in my PC, but I won't use it. Rather than I will use the raw Kaggle .py files, and the notebook is there as always. So since I want to generalize, so if you go to plus new notebook option, you get, and you can change it. You can change the language. I will stick to Python editor type. This will be script for me, and this script will definitely be ppg data pre-processing. Okay, so in general, when you name the file in .py, I don't recommend the spaces. It doesn't hamper your Kaggle activities, but in general, it creates some problem when you do in environments like PyCharm or Spider. So don't do it. Avoid. Okay, now the PPG data pre-processing. Um, okay. Yeah, I have mentioned, I guess. So this will be little hazy. Uh, okay. I'm working on this PPG data. This is called PPG Dahlia dataset. PPG Dahlia. You can search it. It has uh, over 100 citations, and it is based on 15 users' day-to-day life data. So this is not ambulatory, but it is based on different user activities like walking, running. So the PPGs vary in huge amount because in some portion they're running, they're just sitting, they're walking. So the heartbeats are differently varying, and I'm just currently focused on the heartbeat part. There is no such disease detection. I think this will be part 3, part 4 of my project, but I think these are superficial info for today's video because I'm only focusing on the basic ideas, not the complexities. Okay, so I have already the function written. uh, this so this is something that I was looking for, so obviously it won't work. And let's see what libraries would I need. I think in general this is all Python, but NP, yeah, I need an NP library. Yeah, I think it's good to go. I don't need any of them. So these are global variables. I will write it in the main script. I think I won't pressure it here. Uh, Yeah, all the things are in the model part. The data pre-processing, we are done with the data pre-processing script. Actually, this is seemingly you're imagining why I have wasted the total script for one definition. But when you do complex versions, you will have more definitions of preprocessing. So this will definitely get complicated later. But currently, one data is fine. Okay. So save version. Okay. Do I want any data? Yeah, I want data, but okay, let's just save it and then we know what to do. Okay. Now save version. So now, and I think in the live streams, what people don't show you is how frequently they do Google search. So I won't uh, deprive you from that, and I will in fact search how do I get a Python script working in Kaggle in YouTube. No, okay, so I don't get that much relevant infos. Okay, it works. So again, I need some more scripts. So I will go to new notebook, and you know the drill. It will be file. Yeah. So it changed. Okay. So now this will be PPG model, but this is conventional CNN model. This is fine. Now, so I am using this definition model and just returning this, and I will need some import. So imports are very important, and also the fact is, uh, the codes like what you are writing here largely depends on this, so this is also important. Obviously this, and what else? Okay, I need a plot function which was actually copied, and I can link the notebook I'm using. It's okay. So these will show me how the training is going, the initial, the total graphs, if the training is stable or unstable. I don't have any attention file, so this is purely checking the model and evaluating it. Hmm. I think I need some plot for this. Uh, okay, I will definitely need this. Obviously, TensorFlow need this. I think this is fundamentally required, and we will obviously go back and forth, and there will be certain no stop. Okay, some edits definitely. Now, the definition train. This function only matters. This is paper. This is a random function I have written. And no, even here, this is not the issue. So I can definitely do this. This is a part of pre-processing. So I will love to put this here. But where it? So this is working super. This is going well. Mm, okay. So this is training part. And what happens is I have used a function that I have written on a different script. So what I will write here is from PPT, get the spelling right, processing, import, import this one. Okay, and I'm done. But here is the thing, the training part is fine, but uh, what about the privacy? Wait, there's a gap. I need to compile the model. Did I never compile it? Yeah, I compile it. See, this is the part, but it went on. It had no issue because it was in the notebook actually. So I don't need the model summary. I know the model summary pretty well. So model compile, I think what I want to do is model, see the model compile values. So I will a different function which would say com definition model compile, and it will get the, I think I don't need anything, it's there. So model equal to obviously the CNN model I have defined before, uh, or whichever model I want. So I think okay, and model.compile, and it will return the model and return model. So model would be model compile. And since I am assuring that it will be larger than life and uh, sorry, it will be beyond what I have already written. So here comes the part when I change things a little bit with the differential privacy and everything. So the training part, this is okay for one subject and it goes on, right? So this is fine with the train. I have the train, right? Pre-processing. Yeah, the pre-processing is fine. It is, I cannot change the process of zero point 0.5 because it's mentioned on the paper. Okay, so I just saved this version. And this is little bit tricky in Kaggle. What I found easy is when you do in GitHub, it will give you much more free space. So I want to sign in. Okay. Okay, description we can write later. I'm just going with the basics. I'm not complicating things. So now I will download this guy too, and try to compile it. So import code. No, not import code. File view. No. So what I will do, I'll just upload these guys, and this is fine. And I'm making it public to avoid confusions. No, this is already public, so it's fine. Okay, now now to the fun part. I will do, I will do this, and at first I will do it in the notebook part because I think the main pi convention will be little tricky to understand at first. So yeah, obviously I will convert it, but first I will do in this way and then change it. So this I will go for this and no. So the thing is git clone. We are going completely off guards with any offline setup, though I have GPU in my current one that I'm working, but thinking of the thing that no expenses are required, and this is completely with Kaggle, GitHub, the free cloud services they offer in general. So let's see. I get it. I will get error. This is quite common. And when I get error, I will just copy paste it. Oh, okay, you will see. Just and we have it. So how do we get into this repository particularly? Okay, we have two models. So percent %cd. What percent %cd does is direct you to this convention. So you will, yeah, you can do this copy file path. Okay, this is good to go, and I will just do import these two. Yeah, this is thing. Oh, I think we good to go. Again, just the file number name is perfect, and you have imported the total file. True is not defined. What what happened now? Why you do this? Okay, so definitely something wrong happened. Okay, open. No. Oh my God. Okay, so I never knew this. I thought this is good to go. And what happened is it is all JavaScript, all JavaScript. So how we solve this? Even I did not know about it. Okay. No. Okay. And if you open it, no, no, edit with notepad. Okay, so this is the thing. Now I get it. You don't download it when this is not saved. You first save version and then do the .py. Sure. Uh, Let me delete it. No, I download this and I download this. Now I delete this. How do I do it? This is a crap. Okay, delete this file. Yeah, delete it. Just delete it. So delete. Delete. Okay, now add code. Okay, add file. Uh, I personally feel this is more. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, this is very non-coder attitude. I know. I do not recommend the git clone with the command window. I know uh, it pretends to be more sophisticated approach, but if someone has designed the GUI for you, why not use them? Why do the tough? Why go the tough route, right? So, okay, now what? Now the models are good. Yeah, the models are perfectly fine. Now, if where's the notebook? Now, if I rerun it, it will have the corrected version because now I have it the models correct. So another thing, no, this won't work. So I will say restart and clear outputs. We and you are also restarted, dude. You are not here. Why you are here? You are not supposed to be here. No, no, why? Okay, factory reset will help. Yes, factory reset helps. So this is the difference. Factory reset does the whole output cleaning and all the outputs, and uh, the restart version just refreshes your inner cells output and cleans all the things if you want to work on the variables, but not the entire reset one. Okay. So run all. Now the problem's solved. But what mistake I have did is this one I have imported 2 times. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, the draft session is taking way too much time. Okay, so I will wait for 5 minutes. Sometimes it's Kaggle issue, sometimes it's internet issue, but what's the best route to go for is you give a timer and set it for certain minutes, and then if it does not work, just refresh it. Don't wait for so long to get anything started. This is the waste of time. So, clock, a clock app, right? Whatever. Alarm timer. What? What's wrong with it? Okay, so 5 minutes starts now, and I will just enjoy. I don't have any. Okay. No, no, no. I will run it all anyway. Okay, what's wrong here? I think at first I should have imported this. Does it has it said? I think this won't be the problem anymore. T. This is okay. This will completely work fine with this because yeah, the days are dull. You cannot just sit and have the output, obviously. Okay, so I'm not mounting the drive because the this is very small code, so I don't feel the necessity for it. Okay, so this will do, I guess. This will have more restraints because the gaggle working will be there. Mhm. Why? PPG data pre-processing. I don't find any gap here. You are here. Oh, because it's not here. Okay, so this was the issue that the definition I was looking for, it was not there. Okay, Fail. Data processing successful. I don't know what to fail there. I will definitely recommend the upgraded version in GitHub anytime. Remember, the update I'm doing in the collab will is not synced in GitHub, so it will give you a tough time. So in Kaggle, what's the issue is you cannot edit it, and in collab, if you are editing here, you will not get the updated version. GitHub in GitHub further say you are disconnected and something, everything will be lost. So this is an issue that continuously occurs, and collapse connection is the poorest of all the clouds available because the most traffic is in collab, hands down, because it's more popular. I think you have it now. Now, what's the issue? So what I will do is I will go back to the GitHub version and then edit. Definitely, I think that won't be an issue. Yeah, I'm not going with all the norms because it gets hectic sometimes, I believe, for the particular user. So obviously, factory reset, disconnect and delete runtime, execution, no, disconnect and delete runtime. Yeah. Run all data, data boys. It is already updated. Done. It's there. So the issue I felt that every time you have to do the GitHub back and forth and rerun it, it's a little hectic. But uh, my point is, if you are not in the all the offline setups, you can definitely do what you want to do. In Collab, it's a little independent, but you can do in Kaggle as well. If you see now, this is fixed. You can check it now, and so what's the issue? I have to do factory reset here. Okay, okay, so I have to proceed. I don't have the time. Yeah, definitely I will rerun it. Yeah, this is working. Okay, cool. This is working. Now what? Now, now the I wanted to see if the conventional model runs or not. What I was doing here, mm, see, I have the chain one, right? So, in fact, where I got it, see, I cannot show you. That's why I'm here. Okay, let's be independent from the collapse zone. But okay, so train. This is the train version, right? Now let's see what was happening here. So I have to do this may equal to train I, and it will do my job. This is a test run, obviously. So train I. I will do I equal to 0. Now, this code is definitely flawed because I definitely cannot control the epoch numbers and I have to wait for 200 epochs now. But it works. Yeah, this is a trial and error. We all get it. So this just works for now, but this is not conventional. We will definitely do the back and forth thing. So this is completely fine. And another thing where I get the train from model import train. Oh, okay. The global variables are causing these issues. I knew these are flawed, definitely. And what I want to do is I will have these. This is easier, not the. I'm definitely the paths I'm doing here is definitely flawed in certain ways, but no, but if you're a beginner, you're just starting, you're confused, so why not do this, right? No. Mm. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Input is fine. Batch normalization, bidirectional, average pull. Batch normalization, bidirectional, global average pull, dense. Masakia, na 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 na. मैं पुकार सवार लूं na 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 na. La 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 Masakia. मैं पुकार लूं सवार लूं I think this will solve it. So this was an import error. What I have done is I just imported all the functions of layers. Sometimes it is a problem because when you have defined with the same name the multiple layers, it will be confusing. But in my case, since I'm only working with the available functions and I have not customized any layer, it won't be a that much of an issue, I hope. And let's see what happens. I believe that the model function will be free from error. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay. Actually, the IPython display thing I have to only provide for Kaggle. Otherwise, it's not required if you're doing offline or Google Colab even. So, okay, it missed this, and I believe I have. Oh, wow. Okay, so this will be a problem now because there will be no function. Yes, so cool. Anyway, this is a Kaggle setup. I'm defining, and if I had to do it in general, what I should do that I would give it the parameter, the path as a parameter, and then where the input, so from where the input comes, it comes. But I will just let it go and work it as is. Let's see. Prepare. Yeah, downloading. I feel bad for myself because I have to do the factory reset again, so it's back and forth, definitely. But anyway. But I did this. Why you are doing this? Okay, let's see. Oh, data preprocessing. Why? Sorry. I think it will get an error in pickle as well, so I might give it just the pickle. Oh, also the train test split will be errored. Yeah, it will definitely get this error. Uh, let's see. NumPy window get okay, fine, extend, extend. Yeah, I think this is good to go. And also, the CNN model will also get an error. Mean absolute error. I'm doing mean absolute error. So mean absolute error. Uh, yeah. Now let's just check. I have a positive vibe with some confusions. So let's see. After doing it in this way, but you don't have interaction actually. What you do? Wait. Bilk, you know what's bilk. Bilk is cheat or defraud. So when I have said in the podcast that I will do Kaggle differential privacy, uh, but I'm not doing anything. The stream is about an hour, so this is definitely a bilk. Now, bleat. Bleat is joyous, merry, excessive, carefree, so important concept. So I'm pretty, uh, I am pretty bleat in my project mode. I don't like stress, and obviously not deadlines. I love to do in such a manner, such a carefree, bleat manner that it's according as per as my convenience. Brandish. Brandish is shake, wave, or flourish as a weapon. So, um, my ML journey brandished day by day as I worked upon it. Brook. Brook, I think fragile, suffer or tolerate. Okay, so suffer or tolerate. Actually, opposite of fragile, it can tolerate rather than be broken just in a second, just in a blink. So suffer or tolerate. I definitely thought about it, but it's completely opposite. Bargain. Bargain is bargain up and I will say trickery. Oh, bargain. I knew it. Okay, bargain. Clamber. Clamber. I will say have a quite good grip on who climb awkwardly with it. Okay, I actually know this word. Clamor, noisy uproar or protest. As for crowd, a loud, continuous noise. Clamor, I also knew this. Clinches make final or settle conclusively to fasten or to hold together. To fasten or to hold together. Okay. Clinch upon. To fasten or to hold together. Cloying, disgustingly or tastefully sweet. Coffer. Coffer is chest for storing. Coffer, coffin. Okay. Ooh, ooh, it's there. Where are you? So, oh, I get it. What is happening? It is going all the way to dot dot D. So I should have given gaggle input. Okay. So in repository, you have what you have to do is uh, you are there. So you cannot be more there. Let me check if I can just flash away the outputs. Go, go, go. Why? Why it does not go?